In today's video, I was able to make my fastest 1,130 Ghana cedis online, and this is the secret method I used. I only hope you guys watch this video all the way to the end, because this is actually the fastest way I've been able to make money up to 1,130 Ghana cedis in Ghana with no investment. And the good news is that it also pays through my Momo. Okay, so hello guys, how you doing? My name is Clifford, and with today's video I will be teaching you my secret method as well as the secret formula I used to make money online. But the bad news is that most of you already know of this platform. Don't worry, I will be teaching you the secret formula you need. But just in case you didn't know of this platform, it's actually called the Achieve application. Most of you do not believe in it, some of you believe in it, but the good news is that I've been on this platform for about 2 years and I've not actually had any problem. So well, it is up to you. Just in case you also want to invest, it is up to you. Please, I'm no financial advisor. This is what I'm doing. I've been able to make over 5,000 Ghana cedis from this platform alone, and just 14 days ago I was able to accumulate a total of 1,130 Ghana cedis, and it has broken the record of the fastest amount of money I was able to make within the 14-day period with no investment. Okay, but before everything, please make sure to like this video, also comment something down below and subscribe. Please subscribe. The year is coming to an end. We need 30,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. Okay, so I'll take you off to my phone screen and teach you some 1 or 2 things you did, and that is that. My name is Clifford and I'm signing out. Boom. So this is the application right here, and whenever I click on this button right here, you can see it says up here refer and earn, and I've been able to accumulate a total of 1,130 points, which is equivalent to 1,130 Ghana cedis. If you check down here, I've been able to refer a total of 1,772 people, and out of these 1,772, 488 people have made their first deposit of 10 Ghana cedis and above. So meaning I've been able to get 10 Ghana cedis for each point. So I've been able to make 4,880 Ghana cedis without investment on this platform. Okay, and I'll be teaching you how I was able to make this money in 14 days, and it was least expected. So I'll be teaching you the secret method I actually used. So just in case you don't know what this platform is, it's actually called the Achieve app. So go off to the Play Store and search for Achieve app. Okay, right here. So after you click on it, I don't know, but some people actually don't trust this platform, but I think it's one of the best saving platform in Ghana. But since this video is not sponsored, all right, so just make sure you come ahead and download the applications. You can actually go through the reviews. Out of 4,000 people, they have 4.4 star rated, and well, they're on Instagram and other social media platforms as well. You can feel free to actually follow them. So after you download the application right here, you'd have to create an account. So during the account registration process, they'll just ask for your basic info, or to get to a point where you are being asked, how did you hear about the Achieve application? So just make sure you choose a friend invited me, and after they'll ask for a referral code. Use this code Scott 666. So after you're done, create your account and make sure you verify using your Ghana card, and after that, boom, you're actually into the platform. Make sure you deposit your first 10 Ghana cedis. Okay, so you can create one of these portfolios. As you can see, my future right here, I have 1,000 Ghana cedis right here, and I'll be placing a live withdrawal as well. So just in case, after depositing your first 10 Ghana cedis, you get an extra 10 Ghana cedis, of which you can be able to withdraw after some days. Okay, so not actually on that, we're actually looking at the referral program. Okay, so come off to the profile right here and go off up here. So after you go off up here, you can see I'll be redeeming this point right here. So I'll click on redeem button right here, and let me send it to referrals right here, and I'll click on proceed, and I'll click on proceed. Okay, so as you can see, I've successfully redeemed 1,130 points for 1,130 Ghana cedis. All right, so I'll click on this OK button right here, go back and come back right here, and all right, so I think we would go off to the referrals button, and as you can see, the 1,130 Ghana cedis has actually reflected. As you can see, total earned 0. After 3 business working days, I'll start earning profit off of this money. Okay, and after some few days, you can be able to place your withdrawal. Sometimes it takes up to 20 days because the company actually thinks you're doing and a deposit, okay, or something like a saving, so you can actually take out your money as soon as possible. Okay, as you can see, annualized year-to-date return, you get 14.19%, which is very high, I think, and your daily change is 1.16%. But note that whatever amounts you make a day depends on the market. Okay, so sometimes the markets are low, sometimes they are high, so that is how things work. So to place a withdrawal, you'd have to click on this three dots and click on withdraw funds. Okay, as you can see, withdrawal on hold. Withdrawal cannot be processed because your top up is still being processed and your current redeemable balance is 0. It takes 3 days for top up to be invested, after which you can make a withdrawal. Okay, so as you can see right there, so I can actually have funds in other accounts. I can, like this accounts right here, I can just click here and I'll click on withdraw funds. Okay, so as I click on it, I'll click on here, and as you can see, I can cash out 762 Ghana cedis. So I'll just click on 762 and I'll click on confirm, and I'll choose mobile money, choose my balance, then I'll just click on this withdraw button right here. All right, so due to withdrawal fees, I would have to reduce the amount, so let me make it 750 Ghana cedis, and I'll click on confirm, then I'll confirm my withdrawal right here. As you can see, your withdrawal of 750 is being processed. Okay, so to be paid directly into my Momo, so as you can see, it has been deducted right here. So that is how to place a withdrawal on this platform. So off to the most important part, the referrals. Okay, so you can come right here and make sure you copy your code right here. So my code is called 666, so you can actually customize this code and make it anything. So this is the method I was able to use. All right, so as you can see, we are actually on TikTok, and when we click on this video, about 14 days ago, I decided to start doing short form videos on TikTok. Okay, and this was actually the first video I made on TikTok. Please, it was of no experience. This was the first, that's why I've pinned it. This was the first short form video I was able to place on TikTok, and this video actually went, and this was me advertising the Achieve application. Okay, so I'm only asking you guys make very, very good use of this TikTok. When I started, I actually had about 75 followers, and it has been able to grow to 1,400 just within 15 days. Okay, so that means you can also do this as a complete beginner. So just make sure you make engaging videos on the Achieve platform. If just in case you need screenshots, you can go into my Telegram group, get screenshots of how I get paid and everything, and use those screenshots to actually do videos. Okay, so if you're looking for the editing app I actually use CapCut. Okay, so I'll click on CapCut, and as you can see, all my edited videos are here. Okay, all right, so this will be my number one leverage. Once I was able to do it, you too can do it. Okay, so I hope you guys make good use of this, and you can actually start cashing out every single week as well. Okay, so I hope this video helps. If it does, like, comment, share. My name is Clifford, and I'm signing out.